Hello, travel enthusiasts. This is Backpacker Anu, a forever traveler from the bustling city of Mumbai. A city girl at heart, the lure of new places and unique experiences are what fuel my wanderlust. From towering mountains to serene beaches, from the quiet of ancient ruins to the buzz of a lively market, every journey I embark on is a new story waiting to unfold. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a tour of the tropical paradise known as Goa. A melting pot of cultures, Goa is a place where the old and new coexist in perfect harmony. With its sun-drenched beaches, historic landmarks, and vibrant local markets, Goa is a must-visit destination for every travel enthusiast. The beauty of Goa can be best experienced in two segments, North and South Goa, each offering a unique blend of nature, culture, and history. So buckle up and I take you on a very wonderful ride through the sun-kissed beaches and historical marvels of Goa. I find myself in the lively and vibrant North Goa, the land of popular beaches and historical sites. As the sun rises, the rays touch the pristine waters of Baga Beach, one of the most well-known beaches of North Goa. The beach is a playground of opportunities, offering everything from water sports to countless beach shacks serving local cuisine. The lively atmosphere, the rhythmic music, and the taste of the fresh seafood creates a sensorial experience that's hard to forget. But what makes Baga Beach truly unique is its night market. As the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant marketplace where you can find everything from handmade jewelry to vintage clothes. It is a place where local artisans and vendors come together to create a shopping experience like no other. Just a stone's throw away from Baga, you'll find Calangute Beach, often referred to as the Queen of Beaches. Its expansive sandy shores are a sight to behold. The beach is a hub for parasailing, with the sky often dotted with colorful parachutes. The thrill of soaring high above the azure waters is an experience that's hard to put into words. Calangute's lanes are also home to numerous art galleries showcasing the work of local artists, offering a glimpse into Goa's vibrant art scene. Further north, Anjuna Beach awaits with its unique charm. This beach is known for its Wednesday flea market, a tradition that dates back to the 60s. It's a place where you can haggle for beautiful trinkets, antique pieces, and colorful textiles among the sound of the crashing waves. The beach's rocky outcrops and swaying palm trees create a picture-perfect backdrop, making it a favorite among the photographers. From the beaches, I head towards Fort Aguada, a 17th century Portuguese fort that stands tall on Cinquerim Beach. The fort, with its 4-story lighthouse, offers panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. Walking through its ancient corridors, you can almost hear the whispers of history, of battles fought and victories celebrated. Next on my itinerary is the bustling Mapusa Market, a shopping haven for locals and tourists alike. The market is a kaleidoscope of colors and aromas, offering a glimpse into the daily life of the Goans. The locals' warm smiles and the chatter of bargaining customers add to the market's lively atmosphere. But North Goa isn't just about beaches and markets. It is also home to the majestic Dudhsagar waterfalls, a sight that leaves you spellbound. The water cascades down from a height of over 1,000 feet, creating a spectacle that's both humbling as well as awe-inspiring. The surrounding lush greenery adds to the waterfall's charm, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. A trek to the waterfall is not just a journey, but an experience, one that stays with you long after you've left. Leaving the vivacious north behind, I find myself in the serene South Goa. The first stop on my South Goan adventure is Palolem Beach. It's a paradise of soft golden sand tucked away in a crescent-shaped bay, with swaying coconut palms providing a natural backdrop. The gentle waves of the Arabian Sea lap against the shore in a soothing rhythm, creating an ambience that's as relaxing as it is captivating. Here, the pace of life seems to slow down, allowing you to soak up every moment of peace and quiet. Next, I head over to Kolva Beach, a long stretch of powdery white sand that extends as far as the eye can see. This beach is loved by locals and tourists alike for its calm waters and laid-back vibe. The beachfront is lined with coconut trees, and the cool breeze rustling through their fronds carries a hint of the sea, a melody that's unique to this coastal haven. Further south, Agonda Beach awaits, a tranquil haven that offers an escape from the more crowded beaches. The silence is only interrupted by the sound of waves crashing against the shore and the occasional chirping of birds. Agonda Beach is a sanctuary, a place where you can truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. After spending time on these serene beaches, I venture inland to the historical enclave of Old Goa. This place is a treasure trove of history and culture, with its grand churches and cathedrals harking back to the times of Portuguese rule. The first landmark that catches my eye is the Basilica of Bom Jesus, a majestic church that dates back to the 16th century. This UNESCO World Heritage Site houses the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, making it a revered pilgrimage site. The stone's throw away from the Basilica of Bom Jesus is See Cathedral, another architectural masterpiece. Known for its grandeur, it's one of the largest churches in Asia. Its imposing facade, bell tower, and golden altarpiece makes it an awe-inspiring sight. Stepping inside, the silence is profound, echoing the centuries of prayers and hymns that these walls have heard. My journey through South Goa wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. Spread over 211 square kilometers, Netravali is a haven for nature lovers and wildlife lovers alike. Home to the rare species such as the Malabar pied hornbill, the great Indian gaur, and the elusive Indian pangolin, Netravali offers a glimpse into Goa's diverse ecosystem. Visitors can embark on adventurous treks through dense forests, discover cascading waterfalls, and immerse themselves in the serene beauty of the untouched nature. Local communities play a vital role in preserving this ecological treasure, fostering sustainability and eco-tourism initiatives. So whether you are a nature enthusiast, adventure seeker, or simply seeking tranquility, Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary invites you to experience the magic of Goa's natural heritage like never seen before. South Goa, with its tranquil beaches and rich history, offers a perfect retreat for those seeking peace and knowledge. As my journey through Goa comes to an end, I find myself captivated by its diverse beauty. In the sun-drenched north, the golden sands of Baga, Kalangut, and Anjuna beaches welcomed me with a flurry of vibrant activities. Each beach, with its unique charm, offered an unforgettable experience. From the lively shacks of Baga Beach to the bustling flea market of Anjuna, the spirit of Goa's northern coastline is truly infectious. Then there's the historic Fort Aguada, standing tall and majestic, whispering tales of bygone eras. A stroll through the bustling lanes of Mapusa Market was like stepping into the heart of Goa's vibrant culture, where every corner was brimming with color and life. And who can forget the awe-inspiring Dudhsagar waterfalls? Nestled amidst the lush Western Ghats, the sight of this cascading natural wonder left an incredible mark on my soul. Moving southwards, the serene vibes of Palolem, Kolva, and Agonda beaches offered a tranquil respite. Here, the rhythm of the waves and the rustle of the palm leaves were the only sounds breaking the silence. The quietude was a stark, yet welcomed contrast to the bustling north. Old Goa, with its historical landmarks like the Basilica of Bom Jesus and See Cathedral, was like stepping back in time. The architectural grandeur of these structures is a testament to Goa's rich historical past. Finally, the wildlife sanctuaries offered a peek into Goa's biodiverse heritage. As I reflect on these experiences, I realize that Goa is not just a destination, it's a mosaic of diverse experiences, each unique, each enchanting. From its sun-kissed beaches and historic landmarks to its vibrant markets and peaceful wildlife sanctuaries, every aspect of Goa is a testament to its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. So if you are an adventurer, a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply a lover of life, Goa has something for you. Goa, with its sun, sand, and spices, truly is a traveler's paradise. This is Backpacker Anu signing off until our next adventure together.